American universities are seeing a sharp drop in foreign students. In fact, some surveys show nearly 20% decline. Reason? Visa fear. Immigration crackdowns trigger scrutiny. International students, they are nervous now. Parents abroad, they are nervous. And universities are panicking too. And you know what is the reason here? Because international students bring billions into the American economy. In fact, many universities depend heavily on foreign institution fee, specifically students from India and China. Now, colleges fear budget cut, staff layoff, program reduction here. Can you think about the chain reaction? Fewer visas, fewer students, less university income, more layoff. Some students are now choosing Canada, Europe, Australia, or any Asian country instead of America. Others fear spending massive money on the US education, only to later face visa uncertainty and layoff. Universities, by the way, also fear losing global talent in science, engineering, and technological field, where international students play a very big role. And many Indians are now wondering, is America becoming harder for immigrants than ever before? Now, that single question, it is becoming louder every single month. Ladies and gentlemen, now comes the biggest contradiction of the entire segment. Jason Huang, he says AI will rebuild America. He calls this the beginning of a new industrial revolution. And maybe, just maybe, he is right. AI could create new industries, new businesses, new opportunity, but here's the problem. Workers are not feeling excitement right now. They are feeling fear. Because while leaders talk about the future, employees, they are losing the jobs today. This is the AI paradox completely. Companies say that AI will empower humans. Workers here, AI will reduce the hiring. And honestly, both may be true at the very same time. That is what makes this particular moment so confusing. Some experts believe that AI will eventually create entire new career. Others fear millions may struggle during the transition period, and history shows that transition can be really, really painful. During every industrial revolution, some jobs disappear before new jobs arrive, and that is exactly what workers fear now. That AI's benefit may arrive very later on, but layoffs are arriving immediately. And experts warn that workers who fail to adapt to AI tools may become less competitive in the future job market. So here's the biggest question of all. What happens next? Well, where is this leading? Will layoffs slow down, or is this just the beginning? Experts say that some companies are moving towards smaller AI-powered teams. That means fewer managers, fewer junior workers, more automation, and this could completely reshape the global job market today.